How to lose those menacing pounds. Everyone wants to look beautiful during the holidays. This is the time when they see their family and friends. For some people, this means dropping a few pounds. Many of us want to lose weight. The equation for losing weight is simple. If you want to lose weight very fast, then a product link is given in the description. Click on and buy from there. Take in fewer calories than you burn. But we all know that it's not that easy. Our bodies are not a math problem. We are very complex creatures. Each of our bodies is different in some way or the other. You can't precisely pinpoint one diet to work for everyone. But here are some tips to help you lose a few pounds. You can use these tips only on a holiday because they are designed to work throughout the year. 1. Keep the kettle on. Green tea is a great way to lose weight. It is also very healthy for your body. 2. Drink water. Water is one of the most elements of your body. You need it. Drinking water helps regulate your body's systems. Apart from being healthy, water makes you feel full. Per day, you should drink half your body weight in an ounce. For example, if you weigh 180 pounds, you should drink 90 ounces of water. Don't try to drink it all at once, spread it throughout the day. 3. Stop drinking soda. Sodas are not a number. Soda dries out your body. Nettie Levine, Mississippi, RD, a registered dietitian at Cedars-Sinai Medical Center in Los Angeles. Say, about 9 packets of sugar in one 12-ounce can of soda or juice have about 150 calories. They are not healthy yet. 4. Eat healthily. Start eating healthy. Too many of us exercise and look at the simple fact that we don't eat healthily. Eating healthy can improve your looks as well as your outlook. Some ways to eat healthily are: eat food rich in monosaturated fat. Have a fiber-rich breakfast. Fiber helps you stay full for extended. Keep protein in your diet. Protein also keeps you full for extended. Eat more vegetables. Vegetables balance your meal. They are also low in calories like other foods. Keep track of calorie intake. Calories turn into fat. Throw away the chips. Junk food is not good for the body. These usually contain a lot of saturated fat, which is not good unless it is polyunsaturated or monosaturated. Most of these foods are also high in sodium. This causes the body to become bloated. Red meat removed. It's not healthy. Eat soup, salad, and fruit. You can't go wrong with this type of food. They are low in calories and fat. Cut the fried things. Fried food tastes good, but it is not the best for our bodies. Our body becomes a little lethargic due to oil. Over time it can even start to clog your arteries. 5. Enjoy your meal. Many of us run. We have to make a deadline, so we hurry. We have to do some work, so we run. Don't rush your meal. If you hurry your meal, you won't feel hungry when you're finished. You will overeat because you feel that you are not satisfied. Take the time to taste your food, you will fill up fast. 6. Stop eating out. The cook. You can control your calorie intake while cooking. You also eat more healthy foods. Your diet has a tendency to be low in fat. 7. Don't eat late. Most people are more active earlier within the day. Eating late makes a person lie down, sit down or even fall asleep. If one is not active after eating, then the calories from food get converted into fat. 8. Try not to starve yourself. Starving yourself is not healthy. It all breaks down your body. Most people should eat at least 1,200 calories a day. When you starve yourself, your body thinks you are going through a period of starvation. Because of this, your metabolism slows down to a crawl. Even if you lose weight, once you start eating again you will gain more of it. 9. No emotional eating. It is one of the worst things you can eat when you're emotional. To get more weight loss solution videos, hit the like and subscribe button and leave a comment below to let me know what you see like to next. Let's catch you in the next video. Do not forget to hit subscribe button for more videos on weight loss.